So, good day. My name is Dave Lawrence Esmadela, and today I'll be talking about Total Quality Management or TQM and its 8K principles. To make it more relatable, I'll connect each principle with examples from the hospitality industry, such as hotels, restaurants, and resorts. By the end, you'll see how TQM helps organizations deliver excellent service, improve operations, and keep guests happy. So, what is TQM? So, the definition of TQM or Total Quality Management is to approach that involves everyone in the organizations from top leaders to frontline employees working together to improve products, services, and processes. So, the main goal is to satisfy customer needs and expectations while ensuring long-term success. In the hospitality industry, this means creating memorable experiences for guests, whether they're dining in a restaurant, staying in a hotel, or enjoying a vacation resort. So, there are 8 principles, and the first is the customer focus. So, the number on one principle of TQM is customer focus. Customer defined quality. If guests are happy, the business thrives. So, for example, in a quality hotel, staff might offer personalized greetings or remember a returning guest preferences like favorite room type or meal. And this attention to detail creates loyalty. Similarly, restaurants may collect customer feedback cards after meals and use that feedback to improve dishes and services. So let's move on to the principle number two, which is the leadership. Leaders play a big role in TQM. Strong leadership provides direction, purpose, and motivation. So, in a restaurant, the manager sets the tone by ensuring staff are motivated, trained, and ready to serve. If leaders show professionalism and commitment to quality, employees are inspired to do the same. For instance, a resort manager who regularly joins staff in welcoming guests demonstrates leadership by example. So let's move on to the principle number three, which is the involvement of people. So the TQM emphasizes that everyone matters. Quality is not just the job of managers, it's everyone's responsibility. So from the word involvement of people, so it should be everyone that is responsible or do their task accordingly. So here is an example. Take a resort, for example. Even housekeeping staff contribute greatly to the guest impressions of the resort. A clean and fresh smelling room can make or break a guest stay. So, based to the what I said, so if there are if there is one role that cannot be filled correctly, so it will affect the whole organization or the whole hotel or restaurants, and it should be relevant. So when employees feel valued and involved in the decision making, they put more effort into their work. So in other words, they feel confident on working, and it should or uh, boost their so it will boost their confidence upon making an excellent service on their organization. So let's move on to the principle number four, which is the process approach. Processes are the steps that transform inputs into outputs. Managing activities as process helps organization achieve consistent results. So, for example, think of a hotel check-in and check-out process. If the system is clear, fast, and well organized, guests leave with a positive impression. But if the process is confusing or slow, even great amenities won't save the overall experiences. So, bisan pag grabe kanindot sa inyong hotel, so if the service is cheap, it will ruin the whole organization. So TQM teaches us to design and manage processes efficiently for customer satisfaction. So let's move on to the principle number five, which is the system approach to management. This principle looks at organizations as a whole, made up of connected processes. When these processes are aligned efficiently improves. For instance, in a theme park, ticketing, rides, food services, and safety measures must all work together as one system. If one part fails, the entire guest experience is affected. So the TQM ensured that every department or process contributes smoothly to the organization's overall goals. So the sixth principle is the continual improvement. So TQM is not a one-time effort. It's about constant improvement. Business that continuously improve are more competitive and sustainable. So in hospitality, this could mean a hotel updating the amenities based on guest reviews, or a restaurant refreshing its menu to include healthier or trendier options. Small improvements like adding faster Wi-Fi or introducing eco-friendly practices can create a big difference in customer satisfaction. So, let's move to the second to the last principle, which is the seventh principle, factual approach to decision making. Decisions should be based on facts and data, not just opinions. For example, a hotel might analyze guest surveys and online reviews to identify common complaints, such as low room service. Using that data, management can decide whether to hire more staff or upgrade their service systems. Data driven decisions help businesses improve effectively and avoid wasting resources. So, the last is the mutually beneficial supplier relationships. The last principles is about building strong relationship with suppliers. Businesses depend on suppliers for quality, material, and services. So, for example, a catering company relies on food suppliers for fresh and safe ingredients. If the supplier consistently delivers on time, the catering company can serve high quality meals to clients. Both the supplier and the quality business benefit from a strong partnership, ensuring consistency and trust. So, that's all.